అయిపోయింది. సో వీఆర్ ఎక్స్పెక్టింగ్ అ సూపర్ డూపర్ హిట్ ఫ్రమ్ యూ. సో మీ మాటలు వినాలని మేము వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నాం అండ్ మీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ గురించి.
హాయ్ ఎవ్రీబాడీ, ఎలా ఉన్నారు? డిడ్ యూ ఆల్ మిస్ మీ? ఎస్, నో? ఓకే, ఇట్స్ ఆల్ ద కెమెరాస్. బట్ I did miss everything about movies a lot. A year back, I met with an accident. నేను సినిమా చేయట్లేదు for about a year and a half. When I was waiting for something amazing, నేను మళ్ళీ వచ్చి సినిమా చేయాలని వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు నాకు వచ్చిన స్క్రిప్ట్, నాకు వచ్చిన what do you say, like saver, Ashwin అన్నమాట. Why I'm saying this is that from the moment he came and narrated, I was like, where were you all these years? How did this happen? I'm only saying this in a perspective of an actor, a female actor, that I have not seen this kind of writing. It's not come to me at least in a long time. And thank you, Ashwin, for first of all writing this kind of a movie and writing such amazing character and believing in me that I could do it, because it's a big deal. I know that it's your another child. You've been writing this for 4 years. Thank you so much, and it was amazing. Darshi tarvata chepta. And so I have to talk about Niranjan sir and Chaitanya ma'am. First of all, believing in ilanti oka amazing script and very quirky script believe chesi dani meeda full power elli dani support cheyadaniki thank you so much. I hope whatever magic you did with Hanuman and with Prashant, that it will continue. I'm hoping it. And cinematography department, Naresh and his team, so amazing, so hardworking, everybody, Nitin to mana gimbal Raju, to everybody, like podduna vaste till evening, they just like go on and on and on, nobody stops. Direction department, music, Vivek Sagar sir, I love your music all the time. I was just telling Indraganti sir that I loved Samohanam, and I told you also, I think ippudu kuda nenu vintune unnadi. I love the, oh, you're here, Naresh, sorry. I was looking for you there. Sitaram, Hemant, and I don't want to miss anybody, so I'm just like looking at everybody. Venkat, everybody. One thing I have to say, that this is one of the best teams I worked with. Endukane chepta, they say that when you have like great time, meeku gurtunnadane cheptaru, like you won't remember when you have a good time. So I absolutely don't remember what I did in like 3 months. Not nijanga, like how I shot this, how we shot this, how we went about this, I don't remember. I think this movie has given me a platform to explore my full artistic potential, creative potential. Cinema vachin tarvata and inka coming days, in the coming opportunities, I want to talk more about it. Maybe if you see more material, you'll know what we've done with this film. Is that about it? Oh, yeah. Sunny, I don't know if he's here, but I think Sunny was somebody who called me and he said, should I say what he told? So Sunny, one day he called me. He's like, Nabate, the script, you want to do it? I'm like, I don't know, Sunny. He's like, awards ostai. He told me that. I'm like, okay, I want to do this. What is it? One more thing I want to mention. I think this is one of the best narrations also I've heard, because when Ashwin came to me, he was like, Nenu kuchune narration ivanu, I want to stand and give the narration. I was like, okay, fine, we'll see what happens. 2.5 hours ఎలా narrate చేశారంటే, I literally could see the movie he want to shoot. He acted with the BGM sometimes and with all the characters. సినిమాలో ఉన్న అన్ని క్యారెక్టర్స్ డిఫరెంట్ మేనరిజం చేసి నరేట్ చేశారన్నమాట. And I think the output what we've gotten would be like about 10x. I just want everybody, I can't wait for everybody to come and watch this film. Okay, Darshi. Oh, hi, hi. Hi, everybody. And I think keeping all the things which happened on the stage previously, Darshi is one of the fabulous actors I think Telugu industry has seen in the recent times. And for me, he's been one of the most giving actor because while I was shooting this film, I was very ఏమంటారు చాలా occupied and I'm like been like, oh okay, I have to do this, I have to do that and all that. But he was somebody who completely supported me. And sometimes I think we did a workshop kada almost like a month. So he used to remind me that Nabha, you did that in the workshop. Why don't you do that here? I mean, I think that's the most amazing thing what an artist can have with the co-actor. Thank you, Darshi. Whatever happened, we'll talk about it later. But I'm like praising you. You have to be at least acknowledging me, right? Yeah. Yeah, I think that's about it. I'm just happy to be back, guys. I'm like really excited to come to the theaters and entertain you guys. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you.
వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ ఆర్ స్మార్ట్ లేడీ. మేము ఈగర్గా వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నాం మిమ్మల్ని ఎప్పుడెప్పుడు స్క్రీన్ మీద చూడాలని చెప్పేసి.
నేను కూడా.
ఎప్పుడు ఇంకా రిలీజ్ డేట్ ఇంకో
I have to tell one more thing actually. Almost 2 years నేను సినిమా చేయట్లేదు కదా. So I had like during those times whenever I was just recovering and everything, I used to like imagine, you know, frames annamata. Like, oh, when am I going to see myself in the theater next? When am I going to see like, you know, act next in front of the camera and everything? And this is one of the frame I used to kind of imagine before I used to go to bed, that when am I gonna come and talk to the media next about my movie? And this has happened. I'm actually very overwhelmed. I'm actually super nervous from top to bottom. I'm just covering it up with makeup and hair and smile, that's all. Thank you so much, yeah.
అందుకనే కూడా మేనిఫెస్టేషన్స్ గురించి మాట్లాడుతూ ఉంటాం కదా, అది మీరు మేనిఫెస్ట్ చేశారు, ఇవాళ జరుగుతుంది.
Manifestations work really well, impeccably well. Please do manifest whatever you want to do and work towards it. I'm here.
Welcome back.
With working shoulder. Thank you.
Thank you, Nabha. Thank you so much. All the very best.